Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family, happy Tuesday. This is Darlene stopping by real quick. It is an amazing Tuesday here on my side. This is a pair of earrings that I put together. Now these, I think they started out being patches, and these are I think you call it bead weaving. So these are they were bead weaved, and then you can see the back. And I don't remember who sent these to me, but these were, I want to say they're patches. I'm not sure, but they had another little piece at the top, and I cut that piece off and then kind of went around it and glued it down, glued it, meaning the beads down really good on the back of, this piece of fabric or whatever this is so that it would be secure. And then what I did is just went ahead and made a really cool pair of earrings, and they're very lightweight and easy. Really jazzy pair of earrings. I'm almost tempted to keep these for myself, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to go ahead and actually put them on Poshmark, and then put them on Poshmark, and then see if I could sell them on Poshmark. Also, probably put them on the website. But I really like the way they look. Just nice, big, lightweight, evil eye earrings. And then I went ahead and added one of these little square black and white checker beads on the top, and then just went ahead and, close it off. But these are really cute. I really like the way they came out. I wish I could find more patches that look like these in particular, but I did find some patches online that I might order to see if they'll work, good for earrings like these, and just make a lot more evil eye earrings, because the evil eye stuff really sells. I mean, it sells really good. So I am going to probably be making more of these patch like type earrings like this. I really like them. I hope everybody is doing well. I probably will come back later on with some more videos, making some more. I do need to make some more bracelets to fill up on all these different websites and stuff, because the inventory is almost completely depleted on everywhere that I sell. So, and then also like the necklaces, I have put some of those necklaces on the different platforms too. In addition to making them for the event for September. So I've been a little busy, just like the rest of you guys. But anyway, Darlene and I for Jury by BDK, and thank you to all the new subscribers. Want to thank you for hitting that subscribe button and that bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. And then guess what? I'll be back probably later on today, and we'll talk.